Now that we got that done, I think we need to get some firewood chopped up. Sun's starting to set. Time to get out our lamps. Well, now they got my lights on, I think I need to get a little organized here. This is a bit of a mess. Oh, there we go. Oh, this fire's just barely started and it's already warming up. This shelter just concentrates that heat so well. There we go, now we're cooking with gas. Oh, is this warm? Yeah. You like the trail mix, bud? Yeah, you're probably pretty hungry, huh? I got a little boy who told me he's hungry, so we're gonna go ahead and get a hot dog going. Oh no! Oh, hang in there, Weenie.